Hello, my name is METİN. This is 324th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, beyond our metaphysical observable universe, meta-sensation perception matter and its regular repetitive intrinsic motion forms that create our observable universe by interacting each other. Since Galileo judged by the Church, and Immanuel Kant, who later drew the boundaries of the mind by surgically removing the principle of causality, although current Western inquisition-physics says that it doesn't deal with the unobservable and causes in order not to get involved in the affairs of God directly, this physics works with hyphotetic concepts that are unobservable, such as ether, field, electromagnetic waves, photon, etc. The conscious or unconscious aim here is to expel philosophy, reason, mind from science by reconciling with religion. Big Bang theory, quantum indeterminism, etc. are examples of this attitude. But what really matters is the observable and unobservable duality, which has not been understood until now. The observable and unobservable are not in the same reality. Until now, it was thought that everything that was observable was physical object or matter, and everything that was unobservable was metaphysical. When you understand that the opposite is the case, you will also understand that matter, motion, and time coexisted before observable universes, all of observable universe. When you realize that the nothingness, vacuum, is an illusion settled in your subconscious, your mind will see a single matter, not plural different objects, one by one. You will realize that plural objects are nothing but effects of a single unobservable matter, meta-sensation perception matter. We think that matter is in our palms, right before our eyes, whereas, on the contrary, all objects and our observable universe are purely metaphysical consequences of unobservable interactions between unobservable facts. As for the matter, that's what behind the wall of these metaphysical results. Matter is the unobservable. It contains whatever is elementary. Matter itself have no plural parts. There are no atoms. There is no vacuum. So, the elementary should not be the smallest building block, should not be a matter particle, but a regular motion form that gives order, time, the repeatability, the rate, the countables, the mass, the heat, light, gravitation, constant to our observable subjective universe, life. Matter itself, which does not inherently intrinsically contain its own specific regular motion forms, is a thing that has no mass, no gravity, no temperature, no heat, no light, no density. If matter have not intrinsic motion, it has no mass, etc. The source of light, heat, temperature, mass, gravitation, time, so-called constants, like Planck's constant, that according to me, I computed and I have shown you nothing but angular momentum of a point on electron motion form. Yes, and speed of light is variable. Planck's constant or angular momentum of point on an electron is variable, etc., as I told and explained to you before. Yes. The source of light, heat, temperature, mass, gravitation, time, so-called constants in our observable universe is the same. And this source is not a particle of matter, not an object. It is an immanent, intrinsic, regular motion form of a single vacuumless matter. Before, to explain my new concept, electron motion form again, electron motion form of meta sensation perception matter again, I try to tell you meta sensation perception matter again. Have a good evening. See you later.